Dawson Summer Videos is back. And school is out. My birthday has happened, but the videos has just begun. We're going to start off with a nice video of Peaches and Flash for those of you who have wondered how they've been doing. And yeah, as you can probably tell, Texas just got finished, or where I am. It just got done hailing and raining, as you can probably tell. But that doesn't stop us from the videos. We are going to be having a lot more awesome videos this summer, so make sure to stay tuned for those. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button for more awesome videos, and like I said, subscribe because we are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.